Today I'll be turning this 13-inch log. My objective is to get a Chalice out of it for a buddy of mine, Humphrey, who will be retiring soon. Hopefully it works out. We'll see how it goes. Hope you folks enjoy the video. Before I get too far into the video, I would like to mention, if you like my content, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. It will be appreciated. So far things are going well with this particular turn. I got the general idea of the shape that I want. And by the way, I used a moisture meter on this particular piece of wood. It's at 8% and everything seems to be going well. We'll see how it works out. So now I've discovered that there's a wormhole in the top part of the Chalice. So what I'll end up doing is using some CA glue, some of the wood that I've turned off this particular piece, and I'll pack it down in the hole and hopefully it works out. Because of the length of this particular project, I'm using a steady rest. This will help me keep the piece onto the chuck while I'm turning the inside. But just in case somebody was wondering, what is it? It's a steady rest. I'm sitting here turning this wood and I was thinking, when I started my YouTube channel, I never thought I'd go over 100 videos. And now I'm well over 150 videos. And time sure does fly. I've wiped the piece down twice with denatured alcohol, and now I'm applying the pure walnut oil. Once the oil dries, I will put a single coat of boat sealer on the piece to protect the finish. We'll see how that comes out at the end. Okay, here I am at the end of this particular project. The Chalice is 8 inches high, 4 inches at the top as far as width goes. I noticed that the piece got really dark. I happened to read the fine print on the can. It says amber finish, but it is what it is. If you folks made it this far into the video, totally appreciate your support. And as always, thanks for watching.